Hello everyone. Happy Friday. Happy June. Stop on by and say hi. Let me know you're here. Let me know this is working. I'm so excited to be back with y'all again this beautiful Friday. Let me see if I can. Yes, there we go. There we go. It's Friday again. I have beautiful new fabrics to share with you. I get to give away the last bunch of fabric, which is always a win, from 2 weeks ago, and I just can't wait. So say hi. Tell me what's on your sewing table. Tell me if you have some great weekend plans. I am hoping for some pool time and for some sewing time this weekend. That would be the ideal weekend for me. Oh, thank you, Shayna. This is the Pamela shirt, y'all, from 5 out of 4. I can be a little taller. This is the crop version that I've paired with a cute little just half circle skirt, which you can't see. Let me see if I can tip this without wobbling my shady setup. Just a cute little red skirt to go with it. It's one of my favorite summer outfits. And I just love these cherries. We have these on the site right now. It's one of my favorite fabrics. I made this shirt a few years ago, but I love it. It's just so fun. Hi, Sarah. I'm so excited for the fabrics I have for y'all today. I have some beautiful double brush polys. I have a few Modal salads for you. I think it's going to be a good day. So let's just get started, shall we? Again, I have to take my slippers off. I can never just wear them while I'm doing these lives. So I'm going to dive right in with a Modal. I'm super excited about these. They are so soft and so just rich. They're just rich. Hello! If you would give me pronunciation for your name, I would so appreciate it because I don't want to butcher it. But I'm so excited you're here with me! So I've got Mocha Modal to start today. So this is 96% super rayon Modal and 4% spandex. It's 250 GSM, so it's our nice thick Modal that is luxurious. I just love touching it. Hello, Deborah. It has 100% horizontal stretch and 50% vertical stretch. So it's nice and stretchy. The drape on this is ridiculous. It's so soft. This color is so rich and beautiful. I just love it so much. I don't even know what else to say. It's Mocha Modal. I think it's a really beautiful mocha color. It's got this beautiful, Lucretia. Hello, Lucretia. That's a fun name. It's got this beautiful shimmer to it that you get when you have rayon fibers in there that I'm a little bit obsessed with this color. It's so beautiful. I love it. So I hope you do too. So that is our Mocha Modal. And then I have a beautiful double brush poly print for you that I'm a little bit obsessed. I'm obsessed with all of these. This is one of my favorite reveal bundles we've done. They're all my favorite when I'm launching them, okay? But I just love this one. It's taking a minute for me to unfold it. I'm so sorry. I'm not trying to hold you in suspense or anything. So this is Marigold Tropics double brush poly. I'm going to stand back and hold it up really big. I am obsessed with this. I love the leaves. I love the flowers. I love the marigold. Y'all know I love yellow. You know I love yellow. So this is a poly spandex blend. It's 170 GSM, so it's a little bit of a lighter double brush poly. Not light, but a little bit lighter of our double brush poly, which is usually 180 or 190. But it's just lovely. It's just lovely, and let me get my hair out of the way. I can't see the red through the white, so I can't see my cherries through the white. So it's a really good, you go by Steffi? That's delightful. Thank you for letting me know. There were like a million Stephanies in every class I've ever been in growing up because Stephanie was such a popular name. So there was a Stephanie, that was me, a Steph, and a Steffi, all in the same class one year, and it was a lot. It was a lot. Anyway, I'm so sorry. Going back to this, I just got excited. This has 80% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical stretch. Plus, I have 3 coordinates for you. Ooh, Slyfox mail is my favorite mail. It's my favorite. So I have 3 coordinates for you. This neutral here it works with our white and our ivory. So you can do white or you can do ivory. So if you've got one, you already have the coordinate. If you don't, whichever you prefer. I know I'm more of an ivory person. I prefer ivory over that stark white for myself. I don't know why, but I do. But sometimes you just need that stark white. So those both coordinate. And then of course our marigold is a beautiful perfect match to that background color. So I have 3 coordinates for you. As always, our coordinate cards are our solid double brush polys. If you'd like to see anything else with another fabric, go ahead and post in the group or go ahead and email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com and we will do our very best to show you what you're looking for. So that is Marigold Tropics. Oh, makes me want to go to the beach and walk along the shore, get my feet wet. I am obsessed with this one. I absolutely love it. And I hope you do too. So next up, I love the next one too. I'm going to say that about every fabric. Ooh, yes, a wrap skirt with a bodysuit would be cute. Okay, next up, I love this one. So I picked my outfit today because we have a lot, not a lot, we have a couple in the red family and it just made me really happy. So I was like, I want a bold red lip and I want a cute red shirt. And this is what I landed on. So this one is Red Heart Double Brush Poly. So we had this in black and I want to say white last year. Could be wrong about that. I know we had it in black with little white hearts. And now we have it in red and I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. So this is Red Heart Double Brush Poly. It's a poly spandex blend. Also 170 GSM. It has 80% horizontal stretch and 40% vertical. And I have 2 coordinates for you. This one is white, is the coordinate. So white are those little tiny hearts. So cute. So cute. And red. A red, not lipstick red, not any of our other reds, just red. Is a perfect match there. So if you're looking for a coordinate, I can't even see the coordinate card on the video. That's how well it matches. That's excellent. So cute. I just love these tiny hearts. They're so fun and adorable, and just everything should be cute and fun. Oh, thank you so much, Judy. That's so sweet. So that is, I'm going to come close so you can really see these tiny little hearts. That is our Red Heart Double Brush Poly. Ironically, I think the black heart I also made a Pamela out of because this is one of my favorite tops. I love this jewel neckline. It's just it's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my goodness, so many Deborahs. Just Debbie. Oh, I like that. Just when you're born with the popular name, that's just what you get, apparently. It's just what you get. So next up, I have another Modal for you that, again, I'm a little obsessed with. This is, it's so soft. This is our Hazelnut Modal. This color is so rich and beautiful. It looks really accurate coming through on my screen, so hopefully it is for you as well. It's so soft. It is so soft. So this is also 96.4 Super Rayon Modal spandex, also 250, so it's that really great weight that you can make anything out of. I just love that about our Modals. This one has 50% horizontal stretch and just 20% vertical. This is the Pamela top and dress from 5 out of 4. Favorite uses for Modal. Everything. I love shirts and dresses. Cardigans are dreamy and so soft and lovely. I love a swirly pant, like a palazzo pant or a culotte. Oh, a culotte would be perfect out of something like this. I love just about anything. I love basics out of Modal. I love a good like tank top, like a cami, because it's so soft and comfortable, and it really, because it feels a little fancier of a fabric, it really elevates the basics to be a little bit nicer. So you could do like a scoop neck top out of something like this, and it would be perfect for a more professional work environment under a cute little jacket. But it's also just really comfortable. It's rayon, so it's really breathable, and it doesn't get super warm like Double Brush Poly does here in Atlanta, where I get really warm and sweaty in the humidity. So I love just about anything made out of Modal. It can grow as you wear it. It has vertical stretch and it is very bouncy. But my experience with our modals is they have enough spandex in them that they don't typically grow a ton, maybe a tiny bit as you're wearing it, but I would definitely recommend letting it hang for a day or two before hemming something if you're worried about, like especially if it's maxi length, it's very heavy, if you're worried about that. Hi, Amy. Hi, Marty. Oh, look, everybody's here today. Where was I with this? Okay, I gave you a stretch. So this is our hazelnut modal. Oh, that color is so beautiful. It's very rich. It almost has some red undertones. And I just am obsessed with this one. And it's Virginia's favorite as well. When she brought this this bundle home, she specifically came over and was like, Stephanie, look at this fabric. Look at it. Oh, that's exciting. Well, if you're here and have some time, we can definitely coordinate a visit to the shop if you're interested, Deborah. So this is our hazelnut modal. Oh, it's so soft. I love it. I only have 2 more for you today. I have another double brush poly and another modal. Look at that. I'm so excited. We spaced that out beautifully. I'm really excited about this double brush poly here, which again is taking me forever to open. Oh, I'm so glad to help out. I love when people learn stuff new. I love learning new stuff, so that's always exciting. So this is our Fern Floral Double Brush Poly. I love this. The colors are so classic. The green is so beautiful. This Double Brush Poly is so soft. It's so lovely. It's so lovely. So this is a poly spandex blend. It's 170 GSM. Also 100% horizontal stretch and just 20% vertical. It's so beautiful. And I have coordinates for you. So let me drape. Make sure you can see some of the flowers, and then I'll show you some coordinates. So we have just a few coordinates for you. We've got white in those flowers, very beautiful. Cognac, which is one of my favorite coordinates ever, really. Just beautiful with it. I love the cognac. And then we have coral. Oh, so pretty. Y'all know I love coral. We also have pink coral. So that is just lovely. It really goes with this flower up here. And then our last coordinate with this one is light pink. So a beautiful array of color swatches for you to choose from. Yes, I do too, Jessica. I think it's a nice lighter weight for summertime. So some beautiful coordinates for this Fern Floral Double Brush Poly. I'm going to hold it up one more time so y'all can see it again. I wish you could touch it. It's so soft. The colors are so beautiful. I love it. And I do have to say, since I've got this here, and I've got this here, this hazelnut looks quite lovely with it. The browns in there and the hazelnut really look amazing together. Just rich and gorgeous. Love it. I love it. So that is our Fern Floral Double Brush Poly. And I'm already on my last fabric. And it makes me sad because I love chatting with y'all. But I have a beautiful modal to finish off on. I just love modals. They're so lovely. If you haven't tried modal yet, please do. It's so worth it. It's such a lovely sew. So this one is Red Hot Modal. You see why I was feeling the red today. So this is a Rayon Modal Spandex Blend 96.4 and 200 GSM. So this is that more midweight of the modals that we carry. It's slightly lighter than the other two, but still very heavy. It's a perfect summer weight. It has 40% horizontal stretch and 20% vertical stretch. And it's just such a vibrant, beautiful red. It's so bold. It makes me want to make a date night dress. Just put on my red lip and go to town. Yeah. So of course it's 96% rayon modal, 4% spandex on this one. And all of that info is always on the website as well. So if you forget or if I've misspoken on anything, you can always double check me there. Just a beautiful red hot modal right here. Oh, I love it so much. That's the last fabric I have. I wish I had more because I want to keep chatting with y'all, but I guess you guys probably just want me to go have them made live and let you shop with them and have some fun. So I will let you know that Lou Dillard, who I think was here earlier, is the winner of the last reveal booty. So congratulations. Please email us at info@slyfoxfabrics.com, and we will arrange getting that prize over to you. Every comment on this video will enter you to win this week's reveal booty. So all 6 of these beautiful fabrics, 1 yard of each. And I cannot wait to see what you make out of them. I will go ahead and post in the group as soon as these are live on the website with a link for you, so it's nice and easy to check out all of the new stuff. And we will post when we are back so that you guys can be ready for the event and to join me the next time I'm live. Can't wait to chat with you soon. Happy sewing and have a great weekend.